What is f of 0? F of 0 is 1. And a1 is the first derivative at 0 divided by 1. So what's the first derivative at 0? When I plug in 0 here, what do I get?
0.
0. A0, A1 is 0. And A2 is what? The second derivative at 0 divided by 2 factorial. What's the second derivative evaluated at 0?
0.
Huh?
2.
2 over 1, which is 2. So A2 is 1. What is A3? A3 is the third derivative evaluated at 0 divided by 3 factorial. What's the third derivative evaluated at 0? 0. So A3 is 0. A4 is what? A4 is the fourth derivative at 0 divided by 4 factorial. When I plug in 0 here, what do I get? Huh? 24 over 24 over 1. No, that's the hard way to do it. Put those numbers here. What's the easy way to do it? Who can tell me the easy way to do it?
Isn't that the derivative of inverse tangent?
Do you know the series for inverse tangent? You don't. Mr. Crawlers, how do I find the series for this? Well, I'm going to use the series for this. What's the series for this? Huh?
1, 4, 5, 4, 5.
Very good. I will use the series with x equal to I'm going to come in here and put what? What? Negative x squared. That's a lot easier. 1 plus negative x squared plus
Negative x squared squared.
negative x squared squared plus
Negative x squared to the third.
negative x squared cubed plus etc. etc. You will say that was a neat trick. The alternative was having to differentiate. What is it? 1 minus x squared plus x to the 4 minus x to the 6 plus x to the 8 minus x to the 10, etc. So we're using series to get other series. That's a nice series. 1 over 1 plus x squared. The series is 1 minus x squared plus x to the 4 minus x to the 6 plus x to the 8 minus x to the 10 plus x to the 12 minus x to the 14. How would you write this in series notation? Again, we have only even powers. And we have to alternate the sign. How do we alternate the sign?
-1 to the n.
If I integrate this series, I will get the series for what function?
Negative, or tangent, inverse tangent.
Inverse tangent. If I integrate this series, I'm going to integrate, provided I can do that. And the answer is I can only do that for x1 and -1. When I integrate this, I'm going to get what? The angle of tangent is x. And if I integrate this, I'll get what? Now we're right here. What's the integral of x to the power 2n? Who knows that calculus 1? The integral of x to the power 2n. X to the power 2n plus 1 over 2n plus 1.
Yes.
This is a very nice series. This is a very, very nice series. Now, if somebody asks you to find the series for this, don't say I'm going to differentiate, okay? Because differentiation is the hard way. You just say to yourself, oh, I want the series for the antiderivative of this. And I know the series for this because I can get that from this. Let me show you a nice trick. I can put some values of x in there. Huh? So let's put a value of x. Give me a nice value of x and put it in there. Huh?
0.
That's not so nice because what's the angle whose tangent is 0?
It's 0.
And what's 0 here?
1.
Huh?
1.
I like 1. So if I put a 1 on both sides, we'll get here 1 minus 1/3 plus 1/5 plus minus, 1 minus 1/3 plus 1/5 minus plus 1/9 minus 1/11 plus 1/13 plus minus 1/15 plus 1/17 minus 1/19 plus, you can keep going, you don't have to stop. And what have I got on this side, Mr. Harris? Who is your pre-calculus professor? The angle whose tangent is 1. Huh? Pi by 4. So there, folks, is how you can find pi. Take this number here and multiply it by 4. You might get pi. Astonishing. number. And even a number can do this. Euclid was building the path. I will show you. It doesn't convert very quickly. You have to go to about 1,000 times before you get an good approximation. But I'll show you. Plus 19 minus 111 plus 113 minus 115 plus 117. Keep going. Let me do a few. Let me add the first. Who's going to calculate? Do the first one. Of course, I have to multiply by 4. So next time somebody asks you what is pi, okay, give me a moment, I'll tell you how to get it. I'll hit the pi button on the calculator. That's cheating. But essentially that's going to be what your calculator is doing. Calculators do this. Your calculator doesn't know what pi is either. Who knows what pi is? You will get pi if you go to infinity. Don't stop. Okay, let's do it. 4 times